Hello everyone, welcome to the Big Bang Geology channel. Today we introduce a new classes. Another new classes is called Telegram Quiz Explanational class. So this is very useful for who are going to prepare BSc to MSc entrance exam. Who are preparing for MSc entrance exam students especially. So first question. I'm preparing. I'm conducting quiz in morning and evening in Telegram channel. You can join through link. I will give in description. So next for Himalayan question. First question: Himalaya rose from primal sea of. This question means Himalaya from which sea? Which sea? So here we can see 0% to Atlantic. Students give answer 0% to Atlantic, 0% to Arabian. Happy, but why 13% students give to Caspian? Okay, then we see the concept. So this is here. This is the Caspian. You can Google it. This is the Caspian Sea. This is the Indian subcontinent plate. This is the Eurasian plate. So there is a we all about now we know about how Himalayas are formed. This is the proof for the Himalayas are the proof for Tethys before. Here is the Tethys. Proof is the Himalayas. Okay. So answer is the Tethys. Right answer. We can see how Himalayas are formed. This is our Indian subcontinent plate. So our Indian subcontinent plate and Eurasian plate collide each other. See here, Indian subcontinent moving towards the Eurasian plate, and finally the Eurasian plate and Indian subcontinent collide each other because of tension compressional forces. There is a Tethys Sea. Because of compression force, the Tethys Sea rise like Himalayas. So now this is the Tethys is the correct answer. Okay. Next question. Second question. The Himalayas in India are the examples of. Okay, here we can see already we all know about how Himalayas are formed. Why? How? Because of there is a two. You can see like this two continental plates. This is the Indian plate, this is the Eurasian plate, and collide with each other, and there is a Tethys Sea, and this because of compression force, the Tethys Sea rise like a Himalayas. Okay, Himalayas. So this concept is clear. Here question is the Himalayas in India are the examples of. Okay, first we can see here fold mountain and complex mountain are same. Fold mountain or complex mountain. Okay, or complex. Okay, examiner give for confuse the student or know the depth or subject in the student. Okay, eliminate the student or anything. Okay, here we eliminate the complex mountain. Next, volcanic mountain. How volcanic mountains are formed? You can see here there is a volcanoes are formed when plates are moving each other or away from each other. Volcanoes are formed. This is the plate boundary. This is the plate margin. This is the individual plate margin. There is two individual plate margins are connecting or contacting a common plate boundary. This is the common plate boundary. This is the plate margin to individually. So volcanoes are rising here. Volcanoes are rising here in the plate boundary. So these plate boundaries, these volcanic mountains are these volcanic mountains like this, and coming lava and pyroclastic material, after formed this pyroclastic material and lava and all matter of lava, buckle like buckle folds are hills, mountains. So our concept Himalayan, how formed Himalaya is not connected to volcanic mountain also. Volcanic mountains are formed like this. We'll discuss already. Complex mountain is not correct answer. Volcanic mountain is also not correct answer. So next, black mountain, block mountains. How black mountains are formed? Black mountains are when black mountains are when two when one block are down down because of uh, tensional and compressional forces, and because of soil, loose soil or type of soil, one black down, one black above, one black above and one black down, because of soil types, nature of soil. Then this is called graben. We already know this is called graben. This is called host. We also called black mountains also host mountains. Host mountains means we consider this graben like valley. This host, HORST, host is a hill or mountain. This host is called mountain. So this is the black mountain concept. So our Himalayas not formed this concept. So next, fold mountains. Fold mountains are formed because of continental collision, because there is a compressional forces and compressional tensional forces, then moving like a folds and mountains, raised mountains and folds. So our concept Himalayas are formed in fold mountains. So 80% students give right answer, and another 20% are wrong. So they will now answer it. So next, the Dead Sea is an example of Dead Sea. There is a Dead Sea have name in Sea, but it not Sea. Dead Sea also not ocean. Dead Sea is not ocean, but 16% given ocean, 26% to sea, 11% glacier, dry valley to 18%. So finally 29% give to lake. So right answer is the lake. So we can see Dead Sea also called the Salt Sea, but it is a salt lake bordering Jordan to the east and Israel to the west. Okay, this is the Dead Sea. Next question. Dead Sea is the lake. Okay, next question. Siliceous deposit formed around the geysers are. Okay, first question. Siliceous deposits formed around geysers are. Geyserites is the correct answer. 59% is given correct answer, and of 100%, 31%, 41% not given correct answer. Okay, we can see cinders are the not formed around the geysers. Okay, first we know what is the geyser. Geyser is the hot water uh, because of pressure coming out of the some place of the earth. Hot water, the hot water, these are the geysers. So question is siliceous deposits formed around the geysers. There is a geysers, we already know what is geysers. Siliceous deposits are called geyserites. This is the correct answer. And cinders is the igneous igneous rocks. Indus is also in igneous rocks. This is looking like a pumice, burned coal like also, burned coal like. Scoria and pumice we already know. These are all igneous. We can see what is this is the pumice. This is the scoria. This is the geyserite. These are the geyserite. You can see these geyserite balls. Difference between scoria and pumice. Scoria forms from basaltic magmas. Okay, pumice from rhyolitic magmas, which usually contain more gas. Pumice has a much higher concentration of trapped bubbles, so many that the walls between them are very thin. The vesicles in pumice contain enough air, then the rock will float on water. That's why pumice float on water, because of their vesicles have air to float in water. So that's why pumice float in water. This is the reason. Then next question: when water descends over a step-like structure, it is called. Okay. For 49% give to cascade, 8% step-toe, 3% cataract, and 3% to rapid, 37% to waterfall. Waterfall mainly looking like this. Waterfalls are looking like this. There is a waterfalls because of waterfalls are like this, not step like formation. Waterfalls are like this. So here is answer is a not waterfall. See, next this is the cascade. You can see this is the cascade. This is the cascade. Step like this. Okay. Next this is the rapid. This is the rapid. Okay. So cascade, this is not step like this rapid, not looking like a step like form. So next, this is the cataract, this is the step toe. So finally this is the waterfall. You already seen like this. Waterfall have this like form. Okay. So correct answer is the cascade. Cascade is the step like. When water descends over step like structure, it is called cascade. Okay, not cataract, not waterfall, not step toe. So next question: dinosaurs are reported from the rocks of. So next question: dinosaurs are reported from the rocks of. You can see 69% give into answer Mesozoic group, and 10% give to Paleozoic group, 7% give to Tertiary group, and 14% all of the above. Why? How 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 the all of the above? So we can see dinosaurs appears in Triassic period and ends in extend in Cretaceous period. So we can see here Mesozoic era have three periods. One Triassic, Jurassic, and Cretaceous. Triassic, Jurassic, Cretaceous. So here question is dinosaurs are reported from the rocks of. Paleozoic is the Cambrian, Ordovician, Silurian, Devonian. So why only dinosaurs appear in Triassic only? Then why dinosaurs appears in Paleozoic group rocks? So this is the wrong answer. Eliminate wrong answer. Then tertiary group. This is already easily eliminate tertiary group also. Then all of the above. So these two are wrong answer. Then this is also wrong. So finally Mesozoic group have three periods: Triassic, Jurassic, Cretaceous. Dinosaurs appears in Triassic period. live in Jurassic and Cretaceous and extinct in end of the Cretaceous period. So this is the right answer. So next question. Okay, thank you. uh, I think this is useful to you. Please, if this class is useful to you, please subscribe and share, send to your friends this link, and you want to join our Telegram quiz channel, join with using this link, and I will give description. So thank you.